Hello everyone, myself Ani MH. I'm from A1 section CSPS. My product name is Vessels. My company name is Proxyfox. You can see the logo of the company. Feedback collected during empathy. Mention some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said to be the customer during the empathize activity. Use steel, glass, and fiber items with beautiful decoration. Use porcelain product. Use solar items. Use brass items. It is good for health. Define and ideate based on the empathize stage and considering the feelings and requirement of customers. Many new features are to be added to the existing product. Future to be added: improve capacity of vessels, improve vessels design. Futuristic product name Barco. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to time constraint. The mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment our opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.